Hello and welcome. My name is Andrea and I'm a full-time eBay seller with my husband. We decided to give you a tour of our eBay store today, and so we wanted to give you an idea of what is it like to work full-time and what does it look like to work full-time on eBay. Right? So when you go thrifting for really great clothes and you want to sell them on eBay, you're going to bring them home, and now what do? Well, if you're full-time like us, we can't just leave it in a corner somewhere. We actually have to keep it organized. So we have a bag system for when we get new items. We label things by category like sweaters, pants, jeans, men's versus women's items, and shoes. Okay, and so my husband just went to the store, was it like 2 days ago, and so this is our latest haul from the Goodwill. We actually have a few more things over here as well that we're trying to work on. And once we're done sorting them, we have to photograph our items. So we take them over here, and we have our permanent photography area, I guess you could call it, with our nice lights that are box lights, is soft and light, and everything's clean on eBay when you go look at the listings. And basically after they're done being photographed, we put them in bags, we bring them downstairs to our office. So we basically just have a giant table downstairs with 2 laptops, and we list all our items downstairs. Now, once they're done being listed, we're not done yet. We have to bring them back upstairs, we have to bag them, and store them until someone purchases them. So our store is about 1,400 items, which is a lot for a full-time eBay seller. So let's come on over here. So we use these large plastic bins, and we also use some blue bags as well to store all our inventory for eBay. Right now we have about 1,400 items, and so this side of the room and this section here are all clothing, and we have our own number system with tags that we use. And then on this side we have our shoes. Okay, we're almost to 300 shoes listed. Okay. Then I have a little section over here. This is all my items that won't be packaged until they're actually sold. This is what we call our hang section. We're actually going to have a nice setup here to hold all of this, but we don't want to damage our items. But once the item is sold, we have to go in through our inventory and find it, and then bring it over to our shipping area. So we've made a makeshift table here out of 2 shelves, and I just use this to box and bag all the things that have sold that day on eBay. And so we have boxes for shoes, we have paddeds for clothing, and we have clear bags and mailers here as well for whatever we need to ship out for eBay, so you get your stuff real quick. We also have a whole stockpile of our shipping materials here. Through the eBay store discount, we get our tape, and we get some boxes and some mailers as well. Okay, so we keep all that in inventory so we never run out when we need to ship. Now, you may have noticed the blue bags that we use around here, and you're like, what are those? Well, these come from a wonderful store called IKEA. I love that store. It's a furniture store. It's Swedish, but it's in America, and these are about $1. And they're awesome. They're super durable. They hold a lot of items. Actually, 30 items of clothing prepackaged will fit in here perfectly. So it's kind of like having the bin system that we have there. So these are very affordable if you don't want to spend a whole lot on bins at first. So thank you for watching this video. And there are links to a lot of the items that we have in this store. So if you'd like to take a look at that underneath the video afterwards. And please like and subscribe. We'd love to share our eBay story with you, and we hope you have an awesome day.